Welcome to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can change currency on the PayPal app. So let's start. First of all, open the PayPal app and log into your account. Then after, go to wallet. In the wallet you will find PayPal balance option. Tap on PayPal balance and it will show you all the currencies that you have in your account. Along with the currencies, you will also find 3 dots on the right side of each currency. Tap on the 3 dots and you will find the convert currency option. When you tap on convert currency, it will take you to a screen where it will ask you to choose a currency in which you want to convert. For example, let's tap on US dollar. After you select USD, you have to enter the amount that you want to convert into USD. When you enter the amount, simply tap on convert and it will be converted to USD currency. You can change the currency of individual items only, but you cannot change the currency of all the items that you have in your wallet. So this is how you can change currency in the PayPal app. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.